Hello and welcome back everyone to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out several battery banks from Xiaomi. Now these were provided to me by Xiaomi for me to check out and provide my honest feedback to you all. You'll be able to pick these up on Amazon. I'll go through the pricing and also all links will be down in the description as well. First, we're going to be starting off with the Xiaomi 20,000 milliamp hour Redmi power bank. All right, this is quite a large box and a hefty size, hence 20,000 milliamp hours. That is going to be a lot of battery capacity for you to recharge your devices. Does support 18-watt fast charging, USB Type-C. There's also some electrical protection for like overcharge and any sort of like shorting and things like that. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So this 20,000 milliamp hour battery currently is $35. Again, links down in the description. And Xiaomi's been around for quite some time. Their products are quality, so you don't ever have to worry about the battery bank failing or anything like that. You get some literature here, and then the packaging with the battery inside. So you do get, it'd be easier if I just open this. So you do get a flat cable, which is USB to micro USB. So that I would have liked to see a Type-C cable just because we are in 2021. And now the battery bank itself. This is a large battery, that's for sure. Oh, wow. So on the front, Redmi. So Redmi is a brand of Xiaomi, right? So this is kind of like their budget per se product line. They do make smartphones and other devices, but this is a plastic construction. And then on the side here, you have like these ribs, these little ribs right along the side. And then there's a plastic peel or sticker peel to reveal the connector. So this is a multi-port battery bank, so two full USB ports, a Type-C port, and a micro USB port as well right there. So you can charge this either via Type-C or micro USB, so that's nice. It does support fast charging for the battery bank itself and fast charging for a device that's plugged in, 18 watts fast charge. And then you have these four little LED indicator lights to kind of let you know an estimate of how much battery life is left inside here. And on the bottom side, just kind of some certification and some other literature. Kind of, there's a sticker right here as well, FCC sticker, and there you go. And so since it is plastic, it is going to be durable, but this is a large size. So here next to, let's say a Pixel 5, you're going to be able to recharge your devices multiple times over. You're going to be able to plug in tablets, iPads, iPhones, other Android devices, things like that. So of course, unfortunately, 18 watt is the fastest output charging speed. So you're not going to be getting the super ultra fast charging speeds on like newer Samsung phones and other devices that are out right now. So 18 watts Type-C power delivery fast charging is the max there, but that's not a problem at all. But you are going to be able to fully recharge, let's say the iPhone 12 Pro, just shy of about 4 times. There's a lot of various electrical components in here in terms of just the integrated circuit protection. So various levels, temperature resistance, short, like I mentioned, any sort of short or over voltage protections there as well, under voltage protection, electrostatic. It goes on and on and on. So that's awesome to see. So let's go ahead and move on from the Redmi 20,000 milliamp hour battery bank. Again, $35. That's not bad. Tons of battery capacity when you are out and about. Next, we're going to go ahead and move on to, again, a Redmi battery bank by Xiaomi. This is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. This is going to be more compact, but yet still offer the same type of features. Go ahead and get this open real quick. Similar packaging. So this one packaging is blue, same sort of literature here. And it does let you know kind of the additional insight in terms of charging, discharging, what the lights all mean. So one light blinking means it's between 0 and 25%. If all lights are blinking, that means there's a charging error. So definitely check this out so that way you're informed before operation. Of course, that's always a recommendation. Again, you do get that same length micro USB to USB cable. So that is going to be about maybe a foot in length, just a little shy over that. And then this is a much thinner battery bank here, that's for sure. And let's see if we can get this pulled out. Does not pull out easily there. We're gonna just have to slide that through. Perfect. Alrighty, so here is the 10,000 milliamp hour battery bank. Again, you get the same ports, so you're not losing out on anything there. So that's fantastic. This is a nice mid ground in terms of thinness, size, and capacity, in my opinion. So you're talking about right here about half the size as you would expect given the half the battery capacity, and I would definitely say half the weight there as well. You still get the same design in terms of the plastic casing, the ridges on the side here, and then you are, just like all of these, are able to charge multiple devices at the same time. So let me try charging up the battery bank real quick, and let's see in the meantime this ultra compact battery bank 3. So this is 10,000 milliamp hours, and you can already tell that the packaging is much and far smaller. 10,000 milliamp hours, so you are still getting the same capacity as this. The benefit being it's more compact in terms of dimensions. It's just thicker, so it's going to be able to fit better into maybe a bag or possibly your pocket. Again, it's going to come with the same micro USB to USB cable, which is, again, that's a downside. That's unfortunate, but the packaging being all the same. Alrighty, so here is, wow, that is actually smaller than I was expecting. I was expecting it to be much thicker than what it is. So it's probably about a third larger. It's not quite as twice as thick, but the same design. It is plastic. You have a rubbed kind of casing all the way around, so that gives it a nice little grip actually, and literally fits in the palm of your hand. Peel that sticker away, and then here we have the same type of ports. 2 USB ports stacked on top of each other, Type C and the micro USB, and then there are the indicator lights right there. So with this one having more charge, it looks like, let's go ahead and plug the Type C connector there, cable there. Okay, so yeah, it must just be the fact that these are low on battery, because this one shows that it is about 50%, as you can see there, and on the Pixel it shows that it's charging rapidly. So perfect. So that's awesome to see. And this is actually very lightweight. I like the size and the balance that this battery bank offers compared to this one being very large. Now, I can see the benefit of something like this or this large one, and that being, as you probably are seeing from this perspective, you could just lay your phone right on top, and now you have a little stand that your phone is resting on top of. Whereas this one, it doesn't quite work out in terms of that same stability, right? It's possibly going to slide off. This is a much smoother surface because there's less surface area that the phone is resting on as well there too. So you're able to stand that one up. You're able to actually stand all of these up on their side. Would I recommend that? No, this thinner one is more unstable, but these other two right here, because of the width, you could stand them up just like that, have your cable plugged in, charging up, and you'd be good to go. So the pricing on the Redmi 10,000 milliamp hour battery bank is going to be about $20 to $23 or so, depending on whether or not there's a sale or coupon code going on. And then the ultra compact battery bank that we have here, this is going to be $30. So This, you are paying more for the compactness because of the batteries. This is going to be providing you, again, 10,000 milliamp hour. This actually supports 22.5 watt output in terms of fast charging. So you are going to get faster charging from this little compact battery compared to one of these larger ones. So if that is of importance to you, go for the little compact one right here. None of these support wireless charging, so you're not going to be able to lay your phone on top of it and wirelessly charge your device. That is a miss, but then again, at the same time, with these being Redmi brand and being on the lower end of the price bracket for a battery bank, I'm fine not really being too worried about that feature not being in one of these. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns on the Xiaomi battery banks that I've shown you off today, leave them down in the comment section below and I will answer them to the best of my ability. Thank you all for watching. Thank you, Xiaomi, for providing these. You guys take care and I'll see you all in the next video. Have a good one.